Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We have had a cloudy start to the day with a bit of light rain and drizzle over parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Now, tonight we could see the wet weather spreading into parts of the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. We are also going to see drizzly weather for the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments tonight, and in the meantime, isolated thundershowers will persist for the northwestern parts of the country, pushing into central South Africa and spilling into western KwaZulu-Natal as well as the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the bulk of northeastern South Africa, and we're expecting mostly sunny and hot weather for the southwestern areas. Up to a 40% chance of thundershowers is forecasted this Friday for the interior, where you see the light shades of blue, and a 40% chance of light rain is also forecasted for the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Just a bit of drizzle tonight along the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. We have a high fire danger warning in place for the eastern half of the Northern Cape. Runaway fires are very possible wherever you see that shade of red. Now, it's going to be pretty hot this afternoon for much of South Africa. Pretoria making it to 34 degrees. 31 in Johannesburg, the same for Polokwane, just a degree warmer. In Mahikeng, a high of 33 is forecast from Mpombela. A hot one is also forecast around Bloemfontein, a bit cooler as we go towards Bethlehem. Highs in the lower 30s for much of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Moderate winds are forecasted this Friday for much of the East Coast, but we're expecting a fresh to strong easterly breeze around Port Elizabeth, where temperatures will make it to around 27 degrees. We are going to see highs pushing into the upper 30s across much of the southern interior, Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West, reaching 38 degrees. It's going to be warm to hot this afternoon for the south coast and the southwest coastline, with highs in the upper 20s, and we're expecting a pretty breezy day around Jeffreys Bay. Swell heights of the south coast should average around 2 meters and come from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be hot across much of the Northern Cape. Uppington staying at the 40-degree mark, 35 for Kimberley, Carnarvon and Calvinia peak at around 37 degrees. Moderate to fresh winds are forecast for the west coast this Friday. Southeasterlies for Cape Town, where a high of 32 is expected. Thundershowers are forecast on Saturday for the western interior. It's going to be partly cloudy, dry and hot in Gauteng. That's it for the weather. Have a great one.